Welcome back to the messy garage. I've been asked what I'm on now, so I just thought I'd go through briefly what's next in the build. I'm getting on with the bodywork now. The engine's buttoned up, done, so I'm getting on with the bodywork pretty much full on now. I got about 5 hours yesterday and seam welded all the inner structure and some of the outer structure, just getting the strength back in everything, because when you cut all the body up it gets pretty weak. Structurally you could just push it round, so I wanted to stiffen everything up and get ready. So I welded all the inside, fully seam welded every inch. I've also added my strips down here, so that's going to be the defining line for the bodywork. All of this inside here is going to be a textured finish under seal, and then all of this outside as of that line is going to be bodyworked and finished off in body. So it's a bit of a fake line put in there, but it just looks like a factory finish body panel. That's the idea. So as I say, I've finished all there, finished all this side. I'm almost at the position where I can put the back panel back on, and then I'll work from here back down to underneath the engine. I did come around, do some work yesterday on the inside, putting that closing panel over there. I'm gonna round off these corners to match the top corners, and then I'll be able to put holes in that and make an actual a panel that goes in there that's the same as the door panel when the door panel gets finished off. So it'll just look nice there. And then here, this is all getting panelled out. I've got to leave the gap for the gearbox, which I'll make at a later date to cover the gearbox end, because the nose cone comes through there for the gearbox. So that's pretty much done. I've cut out over here to get ready to do the same as over there, so that's all nice and strong now and where it needs to be. And then I've also got the water pipes to start getting through, which has got to come along here, snake through over there, and then get to the back of the car, because the radiator's going up front. There's a lot to do still, but now that it's up in the air and it's so much easier to work on at height, I can get in and finish weld everything and seam weld it. It's only a short video today, just to show you what's going on, keep you updated. Loads more metal going into the car. I've got to do a finishing piece up here to close that off. There's a little hole there, and what I'm aiming for is to double up on this skin and double up on the skin there, so that it's nice and strong. And then also I've got to get my fixing points on the wall there for the radiators and the radiator support, and then the radiator fans are going underneath. It'll just be just above this, and then cold air will come in through the sides and then draw downwards and back out. I think that'll be better, because as it's going along there'll be a flow of air underneath, and then it will draw in this direction and be left behind. So that's my plan. So that's, there you go, just a 4-minute video just to show you where I'm at. I'll be getting on with that this week.